How can you screenshot a full web page on the iPhone? And let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos similar to this one. Anyways, you have to be using the Safari web browser because that is the built-in one. This is where most of the built-in features are. And whenever you are browsing the website, whatever it is, you can of course scroll up and down. And the way that it works is that you capture the screenshot normally. So you press the volume up as well as the power button on the other side of the phone, and the screenshot will be captured. So that's how you can get it. But before it just disappears, click on it in the bottom left corner to make it go to the full screen. So it just gets to this view, and you want to switch it from the screen only to the full page. And when it's part of the full page, you can see that it turns into a scrolling screenshot. So the entire web page gets captured and saved, usually as a PDF. So you can save it to the files, but it can even be put into the Photos app if you wanted to, but that's how you can work with it later. So it is a great way to save the website as a PDF. So that is something that you can do. Keep in mind, however, that it depends on the website, but it might happen that some images or some media below may not load up before you take the screenshot. So it's best to scroll through the whole page before you capture it, so you make sure that all of the images and everything is part of that thing, part of that photo, so it all gets captured and loaded up properly. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.